Welcome to English Earbuds, the podcast where we help you master English in various contexts. Today, we're focusing on business English, an essential skill for thriving in the global business world. Whether you're preparing for a job interview, crafting emails, or participating in meetings, strong business English skills can open up numerous opportunities. So, let's dive into some effective tips and tricks to enhance your business English. Important business English terms. Before we dive into our tips, let's go over some important terms you'll frequently encounter in the business world. Scalability. The capability of a company to grow and manage increased demand without compromising performance or losing revenue. Liquidity. The ability of a company to meet its short-term financial obligations, how easily assets can be converted into cash. Leverage. The use of borrowed money to increase the potential return of an investment. Synergy. The concept that the combined value and performance of two companies will be greater than the sum of the separate individual parts. Benchmarking. Comparing one's business processes and performance metrics to industry bests or best practices from other industries. SWOT analysis. A strategic planning technique used to identify strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats related to business competition or project planning. Understanding these terms will greatly enhance your comprehension and usage of business English. Now, let's move on to the tips and tricks. Next, we see the importance of business English. In the business environment, clear and precise communication is critical. Whether it's writing emails, participating in meetings, or giving presentations, using business English ensures that your message is understood by colleagues, clients, and stakeholders. Effective communication can lead to better decision-making and smoother operations. Networking is a vital part of professional growth. Being able to communicate effectively in business English allows you to connect with professionals at conferences, seminars, and other networking events. Building a strong professional network can provide you with valuable opportunities, insights, and support throughout your career. A vast amount of business literature, including books, articles, and research papers, is available in English. Proficiency in business English allows you to access and understand these resources, keeping you informed about the latest trends, strategies, and best practices in the business world. If your business deals with international clients or customers, proficiency in business English can enhance your customer service. Clear and effective communication can lead to better customer satisfaction, repeat business, and positive reviews. Tip 1. Expand your vocabulary. One of the key elements of business English is having a robust vocabulary. Start by learning industry-specific jargon and terms related to your field. For instance, if you're in finance, familiarize yourself with terms like ROI, equity, liquidity, and dividends. For marketing professionals, terms like SEO, B2B, branding, and target audience are crucial. You can expand your vocabulary by reading industry magazines, online articles, and reports. Make a habit of noting down new words and phrases. Use flashcards or apps like Anki to regularly review and practice them. Another effective method is to use new vocabulary in your daily work conversations, emails, and reports to reinforce your learning. Tip 2. Practice listening skills. Good listening skills are vital in business settings. They help you understand client needs, follow discussions in meetings, and respond appropriately. Improve your listening skills by engaging with various English media. Listen to business-related podcasts, watch TED Talks, and follow news channels that cover your industry. Try to listen to different accents and speeds to get comfortable with various speaking styles. When you listen, focus not only on understanding the content, but also on noting how native speakers phrase their sentences, the intonation they use, and their choice of vocabulary. Tip 3. Improve your speaking skills. Effective communication in business often involves speaking confidently and clearly. Practice speaking English as much as possible. You can join language exchange groups or online platforms like Tandem or HelloTalk to practice with native speakers. Role-playing business scenarios with a partner can also be very helpful. Focus on pronunciation, clarity, and fluency. Recording yourself while speaking can be beneficial. Listen to the recordings to identify areas for improvement and track your progress over time. Pay attention to your tone and pace to ensure you sound professional and articulate. Tip 4. Enhance your writing skills. Strong writing skills are essential for emails, reports, and presentations. Start by mastering the basics of formal writing. Pay attention to grammar, punctuation, and sentence structure. Use tools like Grammarly or Hemingway to check your writing for errors and readability. Practice writing different types of business documents. Write sample emails, reports, and proposals. Get feedback from colleagues or mentors to improve. Reading business articles, white papers, and professional emails can also give you a sense of appropriate language and style. Tip 5. Learn common business idioms and phrases. Idioms and phrases are frequently used in business English. Phrases like thinking outside the box, hit the ground running, and the ball is in your court are common in business conversations. Understanding and using these idioms can make your speech more natural and relatable. Create a list of common business idioms and phrases. Learn their meanings and practice using them in context. There are many resources online, including websites and books, dedicated to business idioms. Tip 6. Engage in real-life business scenarios. Applying your business English skills in real-life situations is crucial. Attend industry conferences, webinars, and networking events. Participate in meetings and discussions at work. Volunteer to give presentations or lead meetings. The more you use business English in practical situations, the more confident and proficient you will become. Pay attention to how others communicate and adopt effective strategies and language they use. Tip 7. Seek feedback and continuous learning. Lastly, always seek feedback and be open to continuous learning. Ask colleagues, mentors, or language partners to give you constructive feedback on your communication skills. Join business English courses or workshops to keep improving. Improving your business writing skills is also essential. Practice writing clear, concise emails with a professional tone. Ensure your emails have a clear subject line, a professional greeting, a concise body, and a proper closing. For example, Dear Mr. Smith, I hope this email finds you well. I am writing to discuss the upcoming project timeline. Mastering business English is crucial for success in the corporate world. To start, focus on expanding your business vocabulary. Understand and use terms like revenue, which refers to the income generated from business activities, and profit margin, the difference between production cost and selling price. For example, you might say, our revenue increased by 20% last quarter, or we aim to improve our profit margin by reducing production costs. Finally, stay informed about current business trends and practices by reading industry-related articles, attending seminars, and participating in professional networks. This will help you stay updated and use relevant vocabulary and context. Engaging in regular conversations with colleagues and mentors in business settings will also enhance your language skills and boost your confidence. Set specific goals for your business English skills and track your progress. Celebrate your achievements and identify areas that need more focus. Remember, improving business English is a continuous process, and consistent effort will yield significant results over time. Thank you for tuning in to English Earbuds. By expanding your vocabulary, practicing listening and speaking skills, enhancing your writing, learning common idioms, engaging in real-life scenarios, and seeking feedback, you'll see great improvements in your business English. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and you'll be well on your way to mastering business English. Until next time, keep learning and growing.
If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe for more videos, and support our channel.